in all of these projects that you've done over all these
Yeah,
years, the 8 years that you had at Pandata, and then
yeah.
now continuing to do consulting work at Further, you've hired a lot of data scientists over
Oh
the
yeah,
years. And
yeah,
you've alluded a little bit earlier in the episode to the kinds of things you're looking for. You have interview questions around your core values, for example.
yeah,
But what are the key skills or attributes that you look for in data science hires today? For
yeah.
example, it seems like AI engineering skills are a really big deal recently.
Oh my gosh. And hard to find. The most challenging and frustrating thing about data science today, really just over the last 10 years, is what being a data scientist meant 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago, is drastically different than today. So some of the technical skills that we're looking for today are individuals who are really strong with evaluation and quality control, specifically when it comes to multimodal data. So text-based data, image-based data, the ability to formulate a statistical design and say, okay, we're working with this unstructured problem, and we need to come up with a way to measure, is our approach working? And do it in a way where we're not creating statistical weirdness, where we're basically predicting something we've artificially put into the data. And so we really look for individuals who have that skill. We're also seeing the rise of machine learning engineers, specifically with this AI engineering flavor. Right now, we're actually looking to hire folks who have more experience with deploying language models and running ML ops, or whatever we want to call it today, AI ops around these language models, and how we diagnose when they're being prompted, when they're drifting, when they're behaving weirdly. But those are some of the technical skills we look for. As far as the soft skills, I'd say the core values that were really successful at Pandata for me are going to be an evergreen. And the traits that I consistently look for in individuals, regardless of the importance of the technical skill today, tomorrow, 5 years from now. We're always going to want people who explain things plainly, who naturally are driven to learn the next thing, who can deal with ill-formed problems. These are things that if you really want to stand out as a data scientist, they're worth cultivating.